kids, you must be joyous because your exams are over, but now it is time to gear up for the next term. Today in this session we'll be talking about possessive nouns, but before that I want you to tell me your most prized possession. Did not understand what it means? Okay, so possession means something that you own or you're the owner of, and most prized means something which is very dear to you. So, for example, my most prized possession is my laptop. I am the owner of the laptop and it is very dear to me. Now, let us understand what a possessive noun is. A possessive noun shows ownership or possession. It tells that something belongs to someone. Now look at this picture. Here is a boy and a car. This car belongs to the boy. We have written it as boy's car. This boy apostrophe s is a possessive noun, and this special symbol that you see here is called an apostrophe. This symbol is used to denote ownership or possession. Now we will learn to read possessive nouns. This symbol apostrophe is read as the owner of. So here we will be discussing some examples. Here is a cat and a house that belongs to the cat. So we have written it as cat's house. So what is written before the apostrophe? Cat, right? And then we are going to read this symbol as the owner of. So cat is the owner of the house. Similarly, we have rabbits, carrots. Now what is written before the apostrophe? Rabbits. So we are going to read it as rabbits. And what about this? The owner of. So rabbits are the owner of carrots. Let us now discuss the two types of possessive nouns. There are singular possessive nouns and there are plural possessive nouns. Singular possessive nouns mean that there is one single owner, whereas plural possessive nouns mean that there are many owners. Right? Now, how do you identify whether a given possessive noun is singular or plural? So, it is very easy. What you have to do is look at whatever is written before the apostrophe. So, let's see this example. Students' books. What is written before the apostrophe? Student. Now, student is singular or plural? Yes, it is singular, right? So that means that it is a singular possessive noun. Let's take another example. Students' books. What is written before the apostrophe? It is written students. Now students is plural, right? So that means it is a plural possessive noun. Now let us learn how to form possessive nouns. So for this you need to remember one thing. Owner, apostrophe and thing. What do you need to remember? Owner, apostrophe and thing. So for example, a phrase is given to you. Pen belonging to my father. So first step would be to locate the owner. Who's the owner? So father is the owner. So first we'll write father. Then what's the next step? To put the apostrophe. So we are going to put the apostrophe. And what's the third thing? Thing that he owns. So what does he own? He owns the pen. So we will write pen. And here it is formed. Let us take another example and follow the owner apostrophe thing rule. So, bottle of the baby. So, who is the owner? Owner is the baby. So, let's write baby first. Then what's the second step? To put the apostrophe. And what's the third step? To write the thing that he owns. Here we have formed the possessive noun baby's bottle. So here is the last topic under possessive nouns. Rules for forming possessive nouns. So there are two golden rules for possessive nouns. The first one is that the owner doesn't end with an S. So if it doesn't end with an S, because there's no S, we are going to put an apostrophe and an S. And the second rule is that the owner ends with an S. So because the owner already ends with an S and there's an S already present, so we are not going to put an S, we are just going to put an apostrophe. Let's see examples for both of them. Keys of my sister. So who's the owner? My sister. Now this word sister doesn't end with an S. So what are we going to do? We are going to put an apostrophe also, and we are going to put an S also because there was no S present. And then the thing she owns. Right? So my sister's keys. Now let's see the second one. Books of Charles. Who's the owner? Charles. So let's write Charles. Now this word Charles ends with an S. Because one S is already present, there's no need to add another S. And what are we going to do? We are just going to put an apostrophe here. Right? So it becomes Charles books. I hope you have understood it well. Just go through the video once more and I hope you will be able to understand everything. Till then,